And now let's move on to a detailed lesson plan. A detailed lesson plan, it is a teacher's roadmap for the lesson, and it contains a detailed description of the steps a teacher will take to teach a particular topic. So when we say a detailed lesson plan, it is a comprehensive outline and instructional activities, strategies, and assessments for a specific educational objective. So it serves as a guide for a teacher to deliver effective instructions and measure student learning. So, and lastly, we have the parts of detailed lesson plan. So, the first one is the objectives, which is, we have there the three domains, which is the cognitive, the psychomotor, and the affective. And also in the content, you have there the main topic. And also the learning resources, we have there the references, the teacher's guide pages, the learning materials or the textbooks, and also the additional materials from learning resource. Of course, we have there reviewing the previous lesson, and also establishing a purpose for the lesson, and the presenting examples or instances of the new lesson, and also you have to discuss there the new concepts and practicing new skills, and finding application of concepts and skills in daily living, and also in making generalizations and abstractions about the lesson, evaluating the learning. And also we have there the remarks and the reflection.